Using an EBT card at a grocery store is a straightforward process that allows recipients of government assistance programs to purchase food and other essential items to begin. Ensure your EBT card is active and you have a valid PIN. First, shop for eligible food items as you normally would, checking the store's signage or asking a store employee to confirm which items are EBT eligible. Once you have finished shopping, proceed to the checkout lane. Let the cashier know you will be using your EBT card to pay for your groceries. They will ring up your items and ask you to insert or swipe your card in the payment terminal. Next, enter your PIN to authorize the transaction. The terminal will then display the amount of your purchase and the remaining balance on your EBT card. If the amount of your purchase exceeds the balance on your card, you will need to use an alternative payment method to cover the difference. After the transaction is complete, the cashier will provide you with a receipt showing the amount deducted from your EBT card and the remaining balance. It is essential to keep track of your EBT card balance to avoid any inconvenience during checkout. You can check your balance by calling the customer service number on the back of your card, visiting the EBT website, or using a balance inquiry machine at the grocery store. To avoid any issues, make sure to handle your EBT card with care, keeping it safe and secure to prevent loss or theft. If your card is lost or stolen, report it immediately to the customer service number to prevent unauthorized use. By following these steps and best practices, using an EBT card at a grocery store is a simple and efficient process that allows you to purchase the food and essentials you need. Remember to always keep your card and PIN secure, and to check your balance regularly to ensure a smooth shopping experience.